Greetings! And this is an unboxing haul thing. I don't really have any categories for resin, and I should, apart from resin adventures, but yes. This one is exciting from the Elves box. This is the September box, and the theme was creepy cute, so I needed to participate. But this is basically kind of like an inspiration box. There's no directions on the or a specific project that you're supposed to do. It's just a bunch of supplies. They give you instructions on how the supplies work, and you're supposed to go from there. So, before I get started, I wanted to mention a lot of people have been asking me about where I buy things, or what I buy, what I use, etc. For my projects and such. So, I've started an Amazon affiliate storefront. This is basically just a nice curated collection that I put up. Especially with like the Hercules thread that I use. People have questions about that. So I put a lot of things on lists. There is beading, goldwork and embroidery, diamond painting, and of course snacks. Some things that have been featured in Snack Time with Odin. It's going to be also expanding as well. This is just a baseline for what I did, so as I think of things, I'm going to put more things on there. There is a link in the description box below, and it is an affiliate link, so I do get a bit of a kickback with it. It's not major, but if you were going to buy stuff anyway, and you feel like supporting the channel too, that's a great way to do it. So, anyway, moving on to the box. There is colored things in here. Colored packing peanuts. I have never actually seen colored versions of these. I think these are these are cornstarchy. Yeah. So this is a very bent up pamphlet. It gives you cute stuff. There's their social media. Also, other YouTubers do tutorials and stuff for it. I might do one, I'm not sure. But there's an overrun of what comes in, and some instructions on the amount of material it uses, and stuff like that. So, in here we have a piece of paper, which looks like it's probably shaker film. So, there's probably a shaker in here, which is exciting. These cute little pastel decals, which are very adorable. I don't know if they're water transfers or if they're stickers. Let's look it up. Resin film design, cut the design and embed into resin. So, oof, that's gonna be a pain in the ass. They're so teeny. But, we have hairbands. We have 2 hairbands. I'm not partial to hairbands, but I might do something. I usually like making hair clips instead. We have some epoxy resin. Oh my god, these beans! Part A and Part B, so this is a 2-part, which is nice, and 1-to-1. So we've got some of that. I still haven't used last boxes. These nuts need to go. Ah! Oh my god, they reinflate. Ah! Anyway, ooh! A cute little bits wheel. Oh my god, those are really fucking cute. We have a flying eyeball, a cute coffin, a pumpkin flying bunny thing? Cute little bat, a ghost, a pentagram with a heart in it, a jack-o'-lantern, a cross, an eyeball, and this flamey scully thing, which is adorable. And we have some findings, a necklace and jump rings. That is always useful for any project application. We have some luminous UV gel manufacture fast building. This says Miss Cheering, so I'm guessing this is colored. And I'm guessing that it like color changes with the sun, or it glows in the dark, or something. Interesting, I've never used something like that before. We have another mold. Yeah, this is cute. It's got a little bat wing, the skull, some bows. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, it's candy. Candy with some ghost and a pumpkin, and I'm guessing cat ears, if you're into that thing. Oh, bat wings and cat ears. I see. That is cute. What is this monstrosity? This is... I don't know what this is. It looks like a dish. It's got some cute little designs around it. I don't know. What is it supposed to be? Hourglass holder mold. Food grade, vacuum friendly. Okay, I guess it's just I don't know. I will see what I play with it. It's kind of cute. It's got like these ghosts and things. I think it'd be okay for a votive holder too. I'm just not sure about this little dome thingy. But that's cute. And then I'm not sure because none of these molds are really like shaker friendly, so to speak. So I don't know why I have shaker film. I guess it's just an extra little thing. But I got these cute little barrettes. These are actually nice ones. I've never been able to find really decent ones. But they're black coated and they're square, so they're easy to glue on. We've got some pigments in opaque pink and opaque lilac, which is nice. Solid pigment. You know, I should really consider buying their pigments. So, cute. We have some heart crystals, which is a nice little addition. I doubt these are name brand, but they're still nice and sparkly and cute. And then we have this thingy, which I think I have a suspicion for. It must be the hourglass for the hourglass holder. Yes! Come here. Aw, it's really cute. It's got lilac sand in it, and that's, I guess, with the bubble. Oh, that's the cup. Okay, I'm looking at it upside down. Duh. So, it sticks right there. And you do the thing. I mean, it still would be cool for a candle holder. Or some shiz. I don't know. It's really cute. It's got flying eyeballs everywhere and scully bits. But anyway, you can kind of see why I needed this one. So I got a lot of cute shit to do. I might do a tutorial. If you want to see me do something with these pieces, let me know and I can make that happen for you. Maybe something for October too. This box is sold out. It was sold in September so that you could use it and have fun in October. But yes, if you want to check out the Sophie and Toffee Elves box, it's a really good deal for what you get, actually. A lot of boxes are just basically a premium for the convenience of getting a box and of the curated items in it, but you get a pretty good deal, and a lot of these molds are exclusive, and they are really nice. So, yep. I think I have a link in the description box below as well, where it's like, send one and I can possibly get a free one if enough people sign up for it, and everybody has that option too, so it's not just me. I am not special, but anyway, this is very cute. Alrighty, and I think that will do it from me. Be sure to like up this video and subscribe if you want to see more bullshit from me. Check out all my shenanigans all over the internet, so come and say hi all over my social media. And be sure to join us on Discord. Our Facebook group has been archived, I guess is the word for it. It hasn't been very active, and there hasn't been a lot of, notifications are kind of shoddy when it comes to Facebook, so we moved over to Discord, which is basically like a chat room, and we have little channels that we can talk about different things. We don't always talk about beading, but if you're interested in participating and being social with a lovely beading group, check out the Discord link down in the description box below. It'll give you instructions on how to sign up for a Discord account, and we have fun. And thank you to all of my patrons over on Patreon. You are awesome, and you help me keep the channel rolling. I appreciate every single one of you. But if you would like to get extra tutorials once per month, and would like to help out the channel a little bit, be sure to check out my Patreon down below, patreon.com/odins.musings. Next month is the end of a 3-part saga where we make this gorgeous pumpkin-y pendant and necklace set. So if you'd like to have something spooky during Halloween season, you should have enough time to make this before the spooky days. So, if you want to learn how to make this, go down in the description box and patreon.com/odins.musings. Thank y'all so much for joining me, and of course, if there's anything I need to be trying out right now, feel free to let me know down below, and I will see you next time.